Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to free your radiators. What exactly does that mean? Well, first off, there's still a lot of homes here in the GTA that use radiant heat. Radiant heat is when you have a boiler down, probably in your basement, and it pumps hot water through the rads, and it gives you a nice even heat throughout the home. So radiators, I find, are great. I have them in a rental property myself, and a lot of my tenants really love the even heat. But there are ways to make sure that you are not really absorbing a lot of that heat from the radiators. And in days like today where it's really cold, you want to make sure that those rads are pumping as much heat as they possibly can. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that there isn't any large furniture or things around the radiator, because that will absorb a lot of the heat. So yes, go check out your radiators and move everything move everything away that might be blocking that rad and causing that heat to get blocked or absorbed. The second thing is, if that radiator is on an exterior wall, what you can do is put some tin foil behind the rad, and what it does is it'll reflect the heat back onto you. The third thing is, if you have any shelving which is above the radiator, you want to remove that. Again, it's absorbing some of the heat, it might be blocking it as well. And the last thing is, you don't want to cover the radiator. That means you don't want to put any like your clothes on there, you don't want to put any like little warm cozies or anything, or even sometimes they have those wooden boxes, which more decorative purposes, but those actually prevent the heat from getting to you. So if you do have rads and you find that they aren't working as well as you'd like them to see, especially on days like today where it's cold, try that. Try to do those 4 tips and let me know how it works for you. Have a great day.